All right, guys, we're going to do a quick lesson on how scientists use dichotomous keys to classify organisms. So today I have dinosaurs that we're going to classify together using a dichotomous key I constructed. We are going to identify this lovely little friend over here. The first thing you guys do is look at your dichotomous key and look at your dinosaur at the same time. You go to question 1, you always start at question number 1, and you read the 2 choices. The first choice, stand on 2 legs, or doesn't stand on 2 legs. If you take a look, our little friend here can stand on 2 legs. So since he stands on 2 legs, I'm going to look next to it, and I already got the name for my dinosaur, Corythosaurus. So I'm going to stick him next to that. Okay, let's look at our next dinosaur. Here's our next dinosaur. Go back to question number 1. Stands on 2 legs? Nope. Doesn't stand on 2 legs? Yes. So it says here, go to 2. Now I go to 2. Long neck or doesn't have long neck? Taking a look at him, he has a pretty short neck. So I'm going to go to doesn't have a long neck, tells me go to step 3. Has 3 horns, doesn't have 3 horns. Taking a look at the top, it doesn't look like he has just 3 horns because he has 4. See if you can't see on the other side, there's 2 more. So since he doesn't have 3 horns, I go to step 4. The next part has spikes on his tail or has a club-like tail. And if you notice, he has a club-like tail, so he is in fact an ankylosaurus. So I would put him here. So using a dichotomous key, I can identify different organisms. Let's do our next one. Here I have this lovely little friend who doesn't want to stand. You try figuring this out. Does he stand on 2 legs or doesn't stand on 2 legs? Good, you should say doesn't stand on 2 legs. So we should go to 2. Does he have a long neck or doesn't have a long neck? Good, he does have a long neck, so he is the Brachiosaurus. All right, let's do one more. Here, I have this dinosaur. Does he stand on 2 legs? Nope, he doesn't stand on 2 legs, so I go to 2. Long neck? No long neck, so I go to 3. Has 3 horns? Yep, so therefore, he's Triceratops. This is how you can use a dichotomous key. Now, if I want to create a dichotomous key, it's going to be different. So now, here I have this guy, and this guy. And I want to create a dichotomous key for these 3. So what I need to do is find a distinguishing characteristic. So perhaps I could say has no legs. You're always going to have 2 questions. So my first question could be 1A, has legs, ... And since 2 of them have legs, I'm going to write go to 2. Now I need the opposing question. Has no legs. Since only one of them has no legs, I'm going to write sneak because now we identified. For my second question, I'm getting rid of my snake since we identified him, and I'm going to look for 2 characteristics for this. Walks on 2 legs. And since there's only one of them that does that, I'm going to write human. 2B, I could write walks on 4 legs because this is my last guy, or doesn't walk on 4 legs, or 2 legs, sorry. And then write frog. Hope this helped you understand dichotomous keys.